Hey folks, in today's video, I'll show you a simple method for making money with Google. This method was essentially kept a secret until recently. I'll take you step by step through the procedure so you can begin earning money. To ensure you don't miss anything, watch the entire video. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Let's go back to the video now. Start by launching Google in your browser. Once there, enter Google News or news.google.com in the search bar. Google News will be reached by doing this. You'll see that Google divides various news types into separate categories. As you can see, there is news covering a variety of topics, including science, sports, technology, entertainment, and more. I urge you to choose a category that interests you, since these are the ones that readers are most likely to read. Selecting this science category will be helpful. You can view all of the categories related to science, such as discoveries, novel technologies, and other outstanding contributions to the area here. I want you to choose whatever article you want to read next. Any article is acceptable as long as it is relevant to you. The articles you may read here have been skillfully written by journalists and other experts in their disciplines, so you need not be bothered about them. We'll use this one as an example in our video. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter beams back eerie spacecraft wreckage from Mars. We'll copy the text from the article once we've located the precise one you desire. Simply choose the copy option in the context menu after selecting the paragraphs, or you can simultaneously hit the keys Ctrl and C. Go to a website that lets you paraphrase or restate things once you finish this. We're going to use one called Spinbot for this video. Spinbot can rewrite articles and perform article spinning, which entails essentially paraphrasing and altering the content of the article to make it distinctive. When you get to the Spinbot page, paste the text you copied in the left text box, being careful to remove any extraneous material you may have included there. After that, finish the CAPTCHA to continue altering your content. Once you've completed copying and pasting your content and possibly even other articles, it's time for us to move on to the next stage to earn money. There are actually a number of websites where you can earn a lot of money by just downloading articles and rewriting them. I'll be showing you how to generate money with each of the 3 websites, so make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss anything and can choose which is best for you. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Let's get back to the video while we have your attention. For the first, visit the text broker website and select I write content from the menu options at the top. We wish to use this method to earn money by producing content for other people. Text broker will pay you anything from 0.8 cents per word for the lowest rating to 6 cents per word for the highest rating, giving you an idea how much money you can make. Text broker, why use it? Well, for one thing, signing up is free, and since they have a flexible timetable, you can write anytime you want. Text broker offers a weekly payout with a minimum of $10, which is excellent when compared to other services. So you don't have to worry about having a huge minimum cash out to start using it. You can adapt the phrasing using the techniques we did above, where we looked for stories in Google News and ran them through Spinbot. Find an article that intrigues you or that the client has asked you to write first. Make sure it is written well. Navigate to the articles page next, and after that, copy the text of the article. Once finished, go to Spinbot and paste your content in the left text box. After clicking the Spin It button, you'll have to figure out a straightforward riddle before producing your own unique article. You can submit it after having it updated and wait for approval and payment. Text broker only accept Americans due to tax laws, so if you're from another country, you might want to skip this one. You're in luck with the following website if you're not on US territory. Similar to text broker, IWriter is a service where you can submit articles and get paid in cash. However, IWriter genuinely accepts foreign writers. Start making money right away by going to IWriter. Click the login button on the IWriter website, then scroll down the page and click the text that says, "Click here" under the text that says, "Need to apply as a writer" to get going. Once the registration process is complete, you'll be directed to another page where you may fill out the required boxes with your first and last name, birthday, email address, etc. After you've finished the registration process, they'll process your application and email you your results in 5 to 7 business days. In order to verify that you are the person who will be writing, they may want identity documentation such as government ID and a selfie taken holding that ID if you are qualified. Once acceptance, you are free to begin submitting your articles to IWriter, including any that have previously been posted on TextBroker. From $2 for 150 words on the bottom tier to $300 for 3,000 words on the top. IWriter will pay you in accordance with the tier that the client will pay you. You can utilize the same Google News item that you updated and added to TextBroker to secure various revenue sources. The IWriter website is now closed. Scripted is the last but not the least website. Scripted is a website where you may write and publish articles for clients in exchange for money, same like the first 2 websites. To get started, go to the top of the page and click the Become a Writer button, which will transport you to another page. It basically functions the same as the previous 2 websites. This is why using Scripted is advantageous, because you can produce articles for a wide range of niches, including entertainment, sports, science, and others that are comparable to those seen in Google News. You can try to pass and acquire a job at Scripted by entering your sign-up information, finishing the application, and submitting it. One thing to keep in mind is that, as of March 2021, they only accepted applicants from the United States, Canada, and Europe. However, they are now expanding to additional regions, so keep an eye out to see if Scripted will start accepting applications from your nation. Even if you're not that good, if you're fortunate enough to be admitted to one of these websites, you'll have 3 kinds of income coming in. Collect articles, use Spinbot to spin them, and then send them to these places if you're accepted. That's what I did. I hope that by sticking with us all the way to the end, you gained a lot of knowledge and earned a lot of money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.